Hello everyone. Now this is one module 190 from one Western Digital SMR hard drive. And this patient hard drive is formatted and the capacity becomes 0 and all the hex data becomes unknown and many data loads have been lost. Now let's check the details by the DFL DDP data recovery software. Okay, let's click on the Western Digital Software Common Firmware Repair clone. Now let's see this option, Repair Module 190. We use the intelligent mode. Click OK. So here's the patient module 190 and we select it to open. Click this one by Start LBA and we sort all the current existing data nodes. These are data nodes and this is very important to recognize all the data on the platter surface. Now from here we can see this is the analyzed data and we can see the valid data is only 0.3 GB, but the actual capacity is 2 TB. So this one is formatted and we can see many data nodes have been lost. How to get the data nodes back? Okay, here we have two options. We need to use the second option to scan for missing nodes. Now, after scan the missing nodes, we find the valid data becomes 3 TB almost, okay? But this one, unallocated data, this one is not correct, okay? We can see it. And we check overlapped node count is 6,196. So we need to repair this one because this one is obviously not correct. So we need to repair. Here we have the first option, automatic repair. So we just simply click on it. Now, after automatic repair, we get one good T2 data. Click Save. Save this T2 data so that we can later load this T2 data to set up head map or load this T2 data to access the data array. And from the log window, we can see the valid data now becomes 1.5 TB. And this is the correct data structure on this patient drive. And overlapped node count becomes 0. So this one means it's normal. And it is one good T2 data. Now we just go to the folder with the patient module 190, and this T2 data is the file we need for data recovery, or we need to set up the head map. So this is the simple process we are using to get the correct T2 data. Thank you for watching the video.